we have Raounak here speaking about Ruby and client-side programming. You can use this one, it's easier if you're typing.
No, I'm not doing. Hello everyone, I'm Raounak Sharma, currently undergraduate in computer science, third year from Indraprastha University, Delhi. And let's not waste time and jump right into that. Okay, so what I'll be speaking today is making client-side application in Ruby. The very first thing at first, why you should be listening to me when you have such a great speakers before me. Okay, so if you think that Ruby is more easily maintainable and readable as compared to JavaScript, then listen to me. If you love Ruby more as compared to JavaScript, listen to me. And third, the most important point, if you are a complete beginner or you are from a beginner to intermediate state, and if you want to land up to a software developer job, mainly a front-end developer, then within 3 to 6 months, then listen to me. So let's get started. Okay, so there is a framework called Volt, voltframework.com. You can check that out. I highly recommend it. So what it does, it makes client-side applications in Ruby, and it also has the server. Server is currently supported only on MongoDB and not Postgres and Rethink, but they are integrating it very soon. So stay tight. Okay, so how it is different from your current other things? It is MVVM instead of MVC, automatic data synchronizing, components, and tasks. Let's deep dive into these things. How MVVM, how it is different from MVC. Okay, so what happens is model and view are synchronized with the data. How, whenever the view changes, the corresponding data in the model changes. Okay, some of you, if you have Angular knowledge, so you can think it as two-way data binding, but the binding is directly with the DB. Okay. Running the code on the client side allows fast reloading and sharing of data between the actions. I need to tailor it down because the content is more. So binding. Attribute binding. This is very much similar to what we see in the Angular. In the Angular, we bind with the ng class by the swat brackets. In here, we bind with the double curly brackets. And inside that, we can write Ruby. As compared, you can compare this with the Rails, in which we write that greater than, smaller than sign, equal to percentage. This is quite easy. Okay, Ruby for the UX, event binding. Okay, so not only the attribute binding, but event binding. Events such as click and mouse down, key up. All these events, how you can handle in pure JavaScript. Okay, we are out of time. So Ruby for the UX. Components, we have components in that. Different views, it is very much different from the partial as compared to the Rails. Okay, what's next? If you have done this, I have turned off the information. So if you want to go with the JavaScript, you have React.js and Vue.js. If you want to go with the TypeScript, you have Angular.js. If you want to make your backend with the services only, you have Firebase, Google Cloud Platforms. If you want to make your backend with any servers, you have Rails and Node.js. Okay, and also TypeScript and Ruby are the most top paying jobs in the UK. That's why you must have interest in them. Okay, so you survived my talk. And so last thing, sir. I also have okay, so I'm currently a software developer at Namita, and I also have my YouTube channel where I keep posting very good videos over there. You can check that out. And please catch me up in the party. I will get you how to get started and how to land up on your first job. Thank you so much. This was me, and you all were a great audience.
Okay, that was entertaining. The end.